Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to help resolve if you're coming up with no audio output device is installed on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Start menu, so just go ahead and left click on the Start button one time. Type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager here. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the File tab. Select whatever the first drop down is here. Just go ahead and left click on it one time, and then select Action tab. Select Add Legacy Hardware. Select Next. Select Install the hardware that I manually select from a list, and then select Next again. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down on this list until you find Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, and select Next. Select Next. Select Next again. Now that you're done that, you want to select Finish, which is just closing out of here, as well as unplugging and plugging your audio device back in and out of your computer one time, and hopefully then your problem should be resolved. Another thing you can try too would be just make sure your system tray icon down here, your speakers are turned on, so just click on this little icon and make sure it's turned on. And also make sure your speaker audio is turned on, so if there's a button, make sure it's turned on. If there's a light indicator, make sure that's on as well. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.